So let's start Sikkim. Sikkim is one of the most beautiful states of India. It is situated, which means located, in the eastern Himalayas. The Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show. Here you have to remember that while writing letters, you can use with a lot of pomp and show. While you write the report, you can use this. The Independence Day was celebrated with a lot of pomp and show in our school premise. Okay. So the festivals of Sikkim are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show, and they celebrate the festivals as per the Buddhist calendar. Throughout these festivals, people take part in lively dances and music. So one of the festival is Saga Dawa. Saga Dawa is an amazing Buddhist festival which is celebrated on the full moon day. Full moon day means Purnima in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. So Saga Dawa is a Buddhist festival which is celebrated on the full moon day as per the Tibetan lunar month. Lunar month means the word is derived from moon, sun, solar, moon, lunar. So it is celebrated between the month of May and June. On this sacred day, sacred means holy day, the people of Sikkim visit the monasteries. Here the word monasteries means the buildings in which monks live. That means Bodha Ashram, Bodha Matha. Okay. And they offer prayers, water, incense, sticks and butter lamps. The festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. So the Buddhists celebrate the birth of Lord Buddha. Enlightenment means Jnana Prapti and death of Lord Buddha. Here the word commemorates means to remind of an important person or an important event from the past. They commemorates the birth of Lord Buddha, the enlightenment of Buddha, the death of Lord Buddha. They also celebrate another festival, that one is harvest festival, which is known as Lusung. Lusung is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. The people wear their local people wear brightly colored masks, playing fascinating musical instruments, perform. That means they perform their traditional dance, that is the charm dance, wearing brightly colored masks and playing fascinating musical instruments. Fascinating means extremely interesting or attractive musical instruments. And another thing also they do, that one is archery contest, Dhanur Vidya. That means they also archery contest is also held along with feasting and other celebrations. Tibetan New Year, which is known as Losar, is also marked with immense joy, extensive meals, that is means bilasamaya, meals and merriment. It is usually held in the month of February. They also celebrate another festival, the festival of light which is known as Tihar. Tihar is somewhat like Diwali. So, in the northeast India, they celebrate so many festivals during the month. In every month, they celebrate different festivals in each state: Sikkim, Manipur, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland. So they celebrate different festivals as per their traditions, customs, beliefs. Okay, so hardly a month passes in any of the 7 states without a festival or two. Most of them have a religious importance or significance. The people offer thanks to the gods for a good harvest, for prosperity, and they also ask for protection. Again, asked for means to say that they would like to give you somebody to give you something. They ask for protection against calamities. Here the word calamities, calamities, calamities means a sudden bad event that causes a lot of damage. Vipatti, viparjaya. Okay. So, but these celebrations also help encourage cultural and artistic activities and bring out is a phrasal verb which means to make, that means prakash kariba, bring out the natural talent of the people. So here ends the chapter. I will discuss the question answer. As we have in the previous class, we have discussed up to question answer 23. I think 23. We have completed up to 23. And I have given you SW. Let's start question number 24. Which musical instruments are played during Bihu dance? During Bihu dance, the traditional musical instruments like crumbles, bamboo clapper, dhol, the pipa are played. Where is Arunachal Pradesh? Arunachal Pradesh is lying further north in the mountain region of the Himalayas. Then question number 26. 3 festivals that Arunachal Pradesh celebrate. So the 3 festivals Arunachal Pradesh celebrates are Losa, Mopin and Zero festivals. Which is the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh? The answer is the New Year festival of Arunachal Pradesh is Losar. What do people do on this occasion? On this occasion, that means in Losar, people clean their houses and discard means throw away the old to bring in the new year. Question number 29. Which festival is the harvest festival in Arunachal Pradesh? The answer is Mopin. What do people pray for during Mopin? People pray for driving away evil spirits and acquiring prosperity, wealth during Mopin. 31. Popir dance is performed on the occasion of, the answer is Mopin. And next 32 is Zero festival is an outdoor festival. Then 33, Ningol Chakoba festival in Manipur establishes a family bond. Then question number 34, How are the married daughters and their children treated during the Ningol Chakoba? The married daughters and their children are given Simtos feast and gifts during Ningol Chakoba. Which festival celebrates New Year in Manipur and when? Charioba celebrates New Year in Manipur in the month of April.